Hello, welcome back. In this lesson, we'll take a look at the superglobal session. Session is used to store data on a server rather than a user's computer. There is another superglobal called cookie, which is comparable to sessions, but the main difference is cookies are stored on the user's computer instead. So it's easy to be compromised by, let's say, hackers. Hence, security-wise, session is the better option, especially for storing sensitive data. Sessions last until the user closes the browser. In a practical example, let's say a user visits a shopping website. The session can store whichever product that he adds to the cart and can even store his username in the session until he closes the browser. Then everything goes away or deletes itself. If a user tries to visit the website again, the old session will be deleted and a new one will be created, which means he has to add all those items back again. Let's take a look at this practically. So we can start a session by typing session start, just like this, into parentheses. Now that we have started a session, let's create a session. So superglobal, the session name, and I want to create a name session. In square brackets, I'll type name, and this will equal my name. So I'll use Robert. And let's create one more session. And this will be the cart, the shopping cart. So I'll add orange to this. Good. So our session is holding these values. Now we can get the two pieces of data we stored in the session. Let's try and echo those out. So echo session and the name. And let's add concatenation to this. So dot and now a test. So I'll say you still have, and let's concatenate the next one. So the session again, and this time I'll type the cart. And let's add the last test in your cart. Okay, let's end everything with the semicolon. Let me format this. Okay, good. Now this name and cart variables, let me run this first. Save this. So you can see it says Robert, you still have orange in your cart. Let me give spaces. So as I was saying, this name and cart variables can be accessed across multiple pages of the website throughout the entire session. It is good practice to destroy sessions after use. So let's destroy it. Type session, destroy. So taking a look at the pop-up explanation, says it destroys all data registered to a session. So just like this, we have destroyed the session. But if we copy the same code and paste it here, save this and reload, you could see it still prints it out. So it's better to unset it first. So right here, let's unset that session. And save this And now let's reload. So you can see it's telling me that I have undefined array key name, undefined array key cat. And looking at the test, you can see that session can't be found anymore compared to how this one says Robert, you still have orange. With this, it says there was no name, it just says you still have dash in your cart. So this is the best practice. You insert it, then you destroy. Good. Let's move on to the next one.